Good day, everybody. This is Nel Carocco again, and it's Monday today, so it means it's Q&A today. So the question that I'm going to answer is from Vianor Kubzak, 3812. Vianor Kubzak. Okay. Vianor asked me in dialogues, can we set up to calculate daylight for more hours? Example, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. to have an average result in loss. Thank you in advance. Okay, Vianor, the answer is it's not possible to do that in one shot, but this is what I did. Okay, so this is a project in New Zealand. This is one of my clients in New Zealand, and they asked me to run a daylighting calculation for a residential house. Okay, and they asked me to run a calculation for different hours like 1 p.m. 2, 3, 4, 9 a.m., 10 until 12 noon. So what I did is I calculated it separately, like say for example 1 p.m. and then I look at the target because they are always looking for this DM. This is the daylight factor. Okay, so they always looking for this one. And yeah, so to get the result for every hour, I did a calculation. So this is 1 p.m. And then for the 10 a.m., for example, yeah, this is what they have. So the target is always 0.26% daylight factor for every room. Okay, so fortunately, I achieved everything even in the 12 noon because the window of this villa is wide enough to capture the light. Actually, there is shade or canopy outside, and I even model it just to get the exact effect if this canopy will lessen the daylight factor or not. And good thing it achieved everything. And so, yes, unfortunately, you can have it here. There's only one option here via Konob. You either set it up one clock at a time and then run a calculation. And then on the documentation, you can either create a different light scene for every hour or run a calculation for every hour and then just compile the report in the PDF. Okay, so you can create a light scene here, create a new empty light scene, and then say this is 1 o'clock and then 9 o'clock, and that's what you can do. So when you run it for all the daylighting calculation, you will have it in one report. Actually, I can do I should have done that also, but I did not because I'm so lazy to create light scenes here. So what I did is I run every hour and then save as PDF and then yeah, compile it in one shot. So this is the total report that I got. So this is the revision one. And I just labeled everything. Let's say this is 12 p.m. here, and then I'll say this is the report because the client wants to see exactly where is the values because they are lazy to read everything. And see, this is 12 o'clock, they say 1 o'clock, the value is here. So I highlight it up and then I even highlight the set as offset distance from the wall because the requirement is 1 meter from the wall. So yeah, that's how you will do it. You either print it in one shot, creating a light scene, or edit every hour and then run a calculation and then save the PDF and then compile in one shot. All right. So, Vianor Cobb, I hope I answer your question for today. And so, tomorrow will be basic lighting. So, we will going to discuss a little about the basics of lighting and lighting design or electricity or lighting in a general terms. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Bye.